Looking for a modern centerpiece to update your home? One that's easy to install? Meet the Simplifire format. Without the need for gas lines, venting, or construction, this wall-mount electric fireplace can transform your space. Let's walk through the basic steps to install the format. We recommend you have a qualified pro move any electrical outlets. Here are the tools you'll need. You can install the format fireplace on either a masonry wall or framed wall. We'll show a framed wall here. First, choose a location. Remove the wall mount bracket from the back of the fireplace. Place it on the wall and mark the holes once you have it level. Then, use a stud finder to find at least 2 marks that have a solid structural element to attach a fastener. The rest can be toggle bolts. Now you're ready to attach the mounting bracket and hang your fireplace. Just fit it on the exposed tabs and make sure it's snug. Add the 2 safety retainers to the bottom to keep the fireplace securely in place on the wall bracket. Next up, you'll attach the floating mantle. First, slide the bottom mantle into place. Connect the wire harnesses together and fasten it to the fireplace. Then, slide in the side panels, first connecting the wire harness. Slide on the top mantle and fasten it to the fireplace with the thumb screws. You're almost there. The last step is to place either the crystal media or shadow glow alpine timber log set for your fire bed. Now, connect the power cord into the receptacle. Adjust flame effects, heat, thermostat, timer, brightness, fire bed lights, and accent lighting with the intuitive remote. Voila! You're ready to enjoy your new fireplace, one you can enjoy year-round with or without heat. Easy to install, easy to use. The Simplifire format is fire made simple.